welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to be making one of my absolutely favorite cocktails. It's called an Aviation. It is a gin-based cocktail from the Prohibition era, and little fun fact, this was actually the first cocktail I had that kind of put me down that road of being interested in craft cocktails and mixology and all that type of jazz. This was it. I had this cocktail and I was like, oh my gosh, I've never tasted anything like this before, and I was sold. So today we're going to make an Aviation, like I said. It is a gin-based cocktail. Today I'm going to be using Beef Eater gin. It was on sale, so I got some. This is a good kind of mid-range gin that's not superly over botanical, so it's really good for mixed drinks. And again, I'm using my measuring shot glass that I still need to get a new one of. The measurements are still a little faded, but it's 1.5 ounces of gin. There's 1.5 ounces. And 3/4 ounces lemon juice. Today I'm actually using fresh squeezed lemon juice. I had some lemons, so I thought it would be fun. And I'm actually going to strain it into the measuring shot glass before I put it in my shaker, because fresh squeezed citrus tends to be pretty pulpy, so you either want to strain it before you put it into your cocktail shaker or before you put it into your glass. So it's 3/4 ounces lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of Luxardo Maraschino Liqueur. This Luxardo and gin is a pretty common flavor combination that I think is really good. So if you haven't ever had a gin Maraschino Luxardo cocktail before, I highly recommend it. 1/4 ounce simple syrup. This. And again, simple syrup is the easiest thing to make. Don't bother buying it. You can make it yourself really easily. And then the fun ingredient is we're actually going to be using Creme de Violette. Now, Creme de Violette is a purple violet liqueur. This is the only cocktail I make with this, and you can see this giant bottle it came in, and I'm actually almost out of it. That tells you how often I make these cocktails, because you don't use a lot of this in it. I actually put my Creme de Violette into this handy dandy squeeze bottle because I think it's easier to distribute out of this. This is like a ketchup condiment squeeze bottle I found on Amazon, and it's perfect for this. And my measurement of Creme de Violette for one drink is a good ketchup squeeze. So that's what I put in there. You definitely want to see the color. You want this drink to be a purplish, bluish color. Oops, gotta add ice. Now again, since I'm just making one cocktail, I only need like 3 ice cubes. I don't need to fill the shaker with ice. And let's put the top on and give it a shake. All right, pour. It's just so pretty. And then a really common garnish for an Aviation is a maraschino cherry. I don't have any right now, so I'm using a lemon twist. Because of the lemon juice in there, it's a nice little accent. So I just twisted a lemon, dropped it in the top. You can see how beautiful and purple this is. Not sure it's really showing up on camera very well, but it is a gorgeous purple color. Now we taste it. This is one of my favorites. The Luxardo with the gin is so good, and you add a citrus in there. And then that little hint of something you're not quite sure what it is, it's the Creme de Violette, and it's one of my favorites. If you've never tried one before, I highly recommend you trying one. It is a little bit more common on cocktail menus nowadays. I've seen it more than once, so you can find it out there. And if you want to invest in some Creme de Violette, then go ahead and make yourself one, because it is definitely worth having one at home. So cheers and enjoy!